When the wind finally settled, I stood in disbelief, facing the empty space where my home once stood, a testament to nature's fury and my life's sudden void. But in that moment of despair, a neighbor appeared with a warm meal and a promise of shelter, and soon, more came, each offering what little they could spare. We gathered under tarps, sharing stories and laughter amidst the ruins, knitting together a tapestry of resilience and newfound hope. As days turned into weeks, we rebuilt not just houses but a community, stronger and more united than before. I learned that while the storm took away walls and roofs, it couldn't touch the human spirit. The true foundation of any home is the connections we forge, the kindness we extend, and the strength we find in one another. Through shared adversity, we became a living testament to the power of unity, proving that the heart of community lies in its people, not its structures.